is nasty.
It's so bad.
It's really bad.
Because on Sriracha here, we've seen some videos people saying Sriracha tastes good with anything and it make everything taste better.
We'll rate it from 1 to 5, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's get going.
Ooh, can really smell it. The garlic. The garlic would go good with graham crackers, right? What do you want on it?
As much as possible.
Seriously, you're not gonna even be able to
All
taste
right.
it.
I love Sriracha.
You guys shift a little more. I can't handle spicy foods very well.
You guys ready? I really like it.
Strangely enough. Yeah, it's pretty good.
I will give it a 4 or 5. Let's go for 4 because I don't know if anything else will taste better. Maybe we'll do it more often.
I'm gonna give it a 4. It's pretty good. Sriracha. We're going for chocolate.
I just see a lot of people cooking with chocolate and hot sauce. Come on, I need a big trunk.
All right. It's gonna be quite interesting, I think. I could be wrong.
Yeah, we're ready to eat it. Ready? Oh, it's ready.
That was really gross.
It was weird, especially at first when you like balance. Maybe I need more sriracha on my piece. I don't know.
I would give that a 1.
I give it 2.
All right, Oreos.
Yucky.
We're gonna open these. I'm going to put some sriracha inside. Gun sriracha Oreo sandwich.
She actually opened it up. Feeling I need more to make it tastier. Look what she did. It's all red all the way. Like you can't even see the white sauce anymore. Gross. I definitely like Oreo without sriracha better.
At first I thought it was okay. Now I'm like, no. Gross. I would give it a 1.
I gave it a 1.
Powder down it. Don't worry, folks. It's gonna get a lot more gross.
Just do whatever. Just go for it.
Hey. My fingers are burning now because of the spice on it.
Oh, you can stop your finger. I'll cut the clip.
Oh, that's just plain nasty.
I liked it.
Really?
I thought it was okay. Pretty good. Tastes like sugary fish stuff. Okay, that sounds disgusting.
That tastes good.
I love fish.
Oh my. That, a 0. Wait.
There's
not
no
even
0.
Oh man. Okay, well, these ones taste better than that one, so I'm gonna say 2 for those and 1 for that. But that was just really nice.
She just changed her numbers.
Hey.
That's all good. Let's do this one. This one's gonna be really gross.
What is it even? Well, let me tell you. As my fingers are falling around. It is 2-week-old pudding in our refrigerator. All right. Plop it in there. Lovely, yummy pudding.
God, she really got a sriracha in there. Look at that. And then I'm gonna eat that.
The
right
whole
there.
thing, Eric. First of all, who knows if it's gone bad yet? Next of all, we're now adding sriracha.
Sugar stuff never go bad, according to me.
Yeah, sure.
have a mixed feeling about this. It's weird.
It's different because you get this really sweet at the beginning, and then the spice comes through.
Yeah, there's an aftertaste. So far, we have proven that nothing actually tastes better with sriracha besides the graham cracker. Can I say that?
Yeah.
That was rough. I gave it a 3.
2.5? Can I do that?
Sure.
Hey, who ate our ice cream?
Me and kids.
What?
We'll get to have some milk in the end.
Let's see if we can invent sriracha ice cream. Sriracha ice cream. It's edible.
Pretty good.
A 2.5 as well.
By giving it a 5.
What?
I think it's probably better than the graham cracker.
Really?
Yeah.
You got some weird taste buds. It's my favorite thing to eat in the morning. Cereal.
The Lucky Charm.
Not necessarily Lucky Charms.
Oh.
But cereal is my favorite thing to eat in the morning. Eric would like to call it cat food.
It looks like cat food and tastes like cat food. And
Have you ever tried cat food?
no. And I probably never will. There's some cereal. I don't like cereal anyways. So I hope that sriracha make it taste better. Let's have a video over here showing you guys. This is what I'm having. That's what she's having. And she is stirring it in. You can see all the little red stuff in it. Gross. Alright.
Put a little more. The grand finale.
Whoa, she's eating more.
Oh my god.
0. This is a 0 for sure for me.
It does not taste good on everything.
Definitely.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, I have to do 1. Wait, did I just say we can do whatever we want? This is definitely 0, right?
It's below the scale of 1 to 5. Every time I eat it, I just want to throw it out. Spit it out. That's so gross. You're pretty miserable over there.
Yeah, this is bad. I want to challenge all the viewers that are watching this video to eat a bowl of Lucky Charm with sriracha.
Oh,
it's
gosh.
disgusting. Actually, yeah. And then you guys can post a video and I will go watch it.
Or you guys can suggest other foods for us to try with sriracha if you want.
I finished it. Nothing left.
Oh.
Now you guys get to watch it later and eat it.
Nah.
It's so gross. It's so gross. We'll cut all the time in between and do a time lapse.
Oh, I can't. I can't. Nope. I'm gonna throw up. Cheers. Best thing. Still kind of gross.
If you guys want to watch more family videos from us, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification. She's over there choking.
That's how I started.
And like our video. Anyway, subscribe. Most important, subscribe. Bye.